Here's another quick video. How to remove the water pump. 2011 Hyundai Sonata Turbo 2.0. Okay, obviously the motor's out of the car, but these videos are to show you where the bolts are located, where the component is located. So when you're in the car, you pretty much know what you're doing instead of using mirrors or going crazy. All right. So obviously you're gonna have your belts here. All right, there's going to be a compressor over here. The belt here, you're going to have to take the belt off. Okay, you're going to work around it. I don't know if you can get this from the bottom or the top, but basically all it is when you take the pulley off, it's 10 millimeter, 3 of them, takes the pulley off, and 10 millimeter, 4 of them, takes the pump off. This is the pump. See, it's kind of easy in this particular engine. All right, now, of course, the frame is going to be somewhere like around here. You're going to be working from top. You can loosen the top. Maybe you're going to go to the bottom, take the splash shield off and get the other 2 bolts to pop it out. But that's to show you where it is and what you need to get it out as far as the pump itself. Now, of course, the accessory belts and all of that stuff, you're going to have to, take them off. And the mount goes here. All right, but you still got plenty of, I've did these in the car, and they're no problem. They're easy on this car. All right, so that's the water pump removal, 2011 Hyundai Sonata 2.0. It's also in, I think, the Tucson, or whatever the hell it's called. And I believe the Santa Fe, maybe. It's a 2.0 liter engine. This is a 2011 Hyundai Sonata. All right, guys, thanks a lot. This is Motorcar Nut 2020. And I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.